All right, so we're looking at number 1 here on this worksheet, and the directions say reflection across y equals -2. So we've done examples of reflecting over the x-axis and the y-axis, which are easy to find, but y equals -2. So this line exists not on one of the axes, but somewhere on the graph. Here's the way I like to think about it. So it says that y is equal to -2. So I know that it has to cross y equals -2. So I'm going to put a dot on y equals -2. I know it has to cross there. But here's the thing with that line. If y only equals -2, y can't be any other number. Y can't equal -3. Y can't equal -4. Y can't equal 7. Because y equals -2. So no matter what x is, x could be any number. X could equal 7, x could equal 5, but y will always be -2. So when I make my line can only go across y equals -2. So that's why I'm putting my mirror right there. So my mirror can only happen, it can only touch y equals -2. So that's where my mirror goes. Now, we know where our mirror is. We go to each point and count how many units it takes to get to the mirror, and then we count that many spaces past the mirror to put the next point. So, notice point I. Look at point I there at the top left. It's on the mirror. So if my point is on the mirror, I don't need to move it. It stays right where it is. Done. So now we move to another point. Let's go to point E. So from point E to the mirror, it takes 1 unit. So I go 1 unit above the mirror, and that's where E prime will go. Okay, let's go to X down here towards the bottom. X takes 1, 2, 3 units to get to the mirror. So I go 1, 2, 3 units above the mirror, and that becomes X prime. Now Q takes 2 units to get to the mirror. So 2 units above, and that's Q prime. So here is my new shape. So notice the same shape, same size. It's just the opposite because it's reflected over the mirror.